What if I tell you you can be your most confident and charismatic when you apply these three tricks? Well, prepare yourself because here are the best mindset to have in public speaking. The first principle is to look your audience as a group of three. One of the speaker did this to me, and here's what I do not want everyone to do and avoid is to be fixated and only focus on one person from the audience. And instead, what you should do is to proceed to another group. It could be at other side of the group, left, center, right. You can do whatever you want, but make sure that you treat each group adequately. The second principle is to have a serving mindset. When you do it, you will deliver value and you will realize that it has nothing to do about you, that it is about them. And when you do it, you show an open body gesture by extending your hands, an open body language, ensure that you are sincere by touching your hand across your chest and also leaning forward to show that you are engaging with them. So it is important to have a serving mindset. The third principle is to inspire and connect with your audience. Now you do it in a way that it takes them to an emotional journey. So you grab their attention and talk to their heart. Now you do not want to offer too many details because too many details kills a good story. And that is as simple as that. That is how you tell a story. Now, I believe you are going to kill it when you are on the stage. And remember, despite many preparations that you had done when you are on the stage, forget everything, let the show begin. That is the message for today. If you have any questions, put the comments down below. Thank you and goodbye.